Campylobacter, Helicobacter. Campylobacter are slender, spirally curved gram-negative bacilli. They are microaerophilic. Morphology: Campylobacter are small, curved gram-negative bacilli. They are motile by single polar flagellum or amphitricate flagellum. Culture: the growth of Campylobacter occurs under strict microaerophilic conditions. They grow readily on simple medium in an atmosphere of a mixture of oxygen 5%, carbon dioxide 10%, nitrogen 85%. Campylobacter jejuni grows optimally at 42 degrees centigrade, but Campylobacter fetus produce visible growth at 37 degrees centigrade. The colonies of Campylobacter jejuni are flat and tends to swarm on moist agar. Biochemical reactions: oxidase positive, catalase positive, NO3 reduction positive. Of all the species Campylobacter, only Campylobacter jejuni can hydrolyze sodium hypurate. This is Campylobacter jejuni has emerged as an important human pathogen in diarrheal disease and accounts for 90% of Campylobacter infections. The ingestion of raw milk, contaminated water, or partially cooked poultry are common source of human infections. Laboratory diagnosis: direct microscope gram staining. Gram staining smear of a feces may shows gram negative curved bacilli. Dark ground or phase contrast microscopy, darting or tumbling motility of spiral rods may be revealed. Cultures: the feces or rectal swab are plated on selective medium. The selective medium commonly used are Butzler selective medium, Skirrow's Campylobacter selective medium, and Campylobacter selective medium. The growth is identified by gram staining, motility, oxidase test, and biochemical reactions. Helicobacter: these are strict microaerophilic with a spiral morphology. They possess a sheeted flagella. Helicobacter pyroli. Helicobacter pyroli is a short curved spiral or S-shaped gram-negative bacilli measuring 3 micrometer into 0.5 to 0.9 micrometer. It is motile by a tuft of unipolar sheath flagella, lophotricate. Culture: it is a strict microaerophilic and grow in an atmosphere of 5% carbon dioxide, 10% carbon dioxide, and 85% nitrogen. The high humidity and 5 to 10% carbon dioxide are required for growth. The optimum temperature for growth is 37 degrees centigrade. It can grow on moist, freshly prepared chocolate agar and Campylobacter selective medium. Helicobacter pylori produces a circular, convex, and translucent colonies. Biochemical reactions: urease positive, catalase positive, oxidase positive. It produces abundant urease and turns urea broth to pink color in few minutes. This is Helicobacter pylori is implicated to causes chronic active gastritis, duodenitis, and peptic ulcer. It is also recognized as a risk factor for gastric malignancy. Laboratory diagnosis: specimen biopsy of gastric mucosa, direct microscopic gram staining. It shows a short curved spiral gram-negative bacteria. Hematoxylin eosin staining. It can be used in histological sections. The Wharton silver staining. The organism can be seen most clearly with this method. Culture: the specimen is inoculated on chocolate agar and Campylobacter selective medium. The organism is identified on the basis of colony morphology, gram staining, and biochemical reactions. Biopsy: urease test. Biopsy material is placed in urea solution with an indicator and incubated at 37 degrees centigrade. If the tissue containing Helicobacter pylori pH changes within a few minutes to 2 hours due to the production of ammonia. The dissolved urea is broken down to ammonia by action of enzyme urease produced by the organism. Urea breath test. The urea labeled with an isotope of carbon is given orally to the patient. If the patient's stomach contains Helicobacter pylori, urea is converted into ammonia and carbon dioxide. This labeled carbon dioxide appears in the breath where it can be measured. Serology: the antibody of Helicobacter pylori can be detected in patient serum by ELISA or by indirect immunofluorescence antibody test. A polymerase change PCR. The treatment: a combination of bismuth, subsalicylate, tetracycline, or amoxicillin, and metronidazole are given for 2 weeks. A combination of omeprazole and clarithromycin is another alternative.